guys, we have come to the end of the day here at EcoFest Masera Club. And right now I am with the one, the only Ntate Stunna. What's up? How you feeling?
Feeling good. I feel good.
Do you understand I waited for you until 4 a.m. in the morning?
That makes me feel good.
You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
How are you feeling? How was the crowd's reaction to your performance? That's lovely. I have one question. What's the most eco-friendly habit that you swear by?
Eco-friendly. I can never lead
Yeah. Everyone keeps saying that.
Yeah, I can't.
For lettering.
Yeah, you.
I'm kidding. I don't do that.
It says a lot about your bedroom.
Alright. Anyways, you're a musician, but lately you've been, doing well, or your cleaning campaign.
Yes.
What's the story behind that?
Cleaning campaign. The story behind that is that at some point I started travel. I want to travel like me and my team, we have this like stereotype. Stereotype mind. Yeah, South Africa.
Yeah.
Until one of my friends had a Lesotho so all the way how because all of a sudden you feel like there are cameras watching you, you know what I mean? I always feel like it's illegal to litter, you know what I mean? But how feel Lesotho? It was bad. I felt bad about it. So I was like, you know what? I need to change that. Yeah, that mindset.
Yeah.
It's only drinking in public. It's illegal to drink in public. I found out today that it's actually
In Lesotho?
yeah, it's illegal to drink in public. Yeah, it's just that you can't drink in public. In public.
Yeah.
You get arrested. So just know it's illegal to drink in public in Lesotho as well.
So don't do that.
Don't do that. We're just watching. We're watching you. Yeah, it's only littering. Don't litter in public. It's actually
I want to be a little controversial for the first time with you.
yeah, okay.
You gave us hit after hit after hit. Party Pooper, High School, Moya. What's next?
What's next? Assembly.
Okay.
Confession.
Yeah.
Now against after school.
Well, you know what? We can't wait for that. Okay, you know what?
I'm kidding, but yeah, I just want to say to people that Sesotho Fashioneng 2. People
Yes.
keep asking me about Sesotho Fashioneng 2.
Healing.
Fashioneng 2 is out there. It's out there. It's been singles after singles, and like my dear ones, they know Sesotho Fashioneng 2 is out there. It's just out there in singles, and you know sense about Lesotho Gauteng because Go Easy is out, Bula is out, Chula Mabota is out, and Moya is out.
Yeah.
So 4 tracks out of 10 tracks.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Lesotho Gauteng is out there.
Yeah.
So until them 400,000 streams a day, I'll never drop an album. I'll always give you but I don't want to lie. Back then we used to dream about 100,000 a month.
Yeah.
So people gave us like 200,000 streams a month now. You know, it's something that's easy, so it's improvement. I've been growing, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Absolutely. Well, thank you, Ntate Stunna. You're doing, those things.
Subscribe to JNJ Network. You know what to do. That's what we're talking about.
Goodbye.